Hi guys, we're gonna talking about stopping kamikaze wolves. First systems, air defense systems. Advanced air defense system can detect and neutralize the kamikaze wolves. This system can use the missiles or the anti-aircraft weapons and shoot down the wolf remotely. Radar detection and monitoring system. Advanced radar systems can be used to detect wolves. These systems detect the wolves at an early stage, providing time to take defensive measures. Electronic mixing. Electronic jamming device can be used to disrupt the control systems or communications of kamikaze wolves. This can disable the wolf or cause the person directing it lose control. Laser weapons. Laser weapons, the different systems actually. High energy laser weapons can target kamikaze wolves and disable their flight systems or payloads. This can provide the quick and sensitive intervention. Physical obstacles is important system actually. Everyone try it. It may be possible to catch or stop kamikaze wolves with the physical obstacles, for example, nest traps or the cable